Also got this 200 gram cake, 9 on a board 200 gram cake called Mad Cow by Fanatics. It's 9 shots. It's a very unique cake. So this is, as you see here in my hands, not very big tubes, but still kind of neat with the way this is kind of made. So we'll have to wait and see. We had a very nice video of it and some nice powerful shots for a 200 grammer anyway. And it is a 9 on a board, so should be nice. All right, got Mad Cow by Fanatics, 9 on a board, 200 gram cake. Bam. Nice.